All right, you guys, I want to show you guys one of the most affordable 7-passenger vehicles that's on the market today, and that's a Nissan Pathfinder. This is the S package in the 4x4 configuration, and this thing is wicked, and it won't break the bank to get yourself something with a little bit more space, a nice V6 engine. It actually has some tow capability, and it has third row seating. So let's take a look at this 2019. These just came in, and they are priced really well. You do have projection LED headlights up front, which is awesome. They also come standard with front collision system. So somebody cuts you off last minute, this vehicle is going to try and stop you so you don't run into them. Then they've got aluminum alloy rims, no hubcaps on these, and they've got Nissan's easy fill tire alert system. So that means if the tire goes low, you can just put air to it. When it gets to the right pressure, the horn will honk. Works awesome. Color matched mirrors with the signal lights built right in. A little touch of chrome, not too much, but just a little bit to show you that it is a nicer vehicle. Tinted windows in the back, don't have to go after and spend extra money on that. Inside, they are outfitted with a bunch of really nice features, but one of my favorite is these super supportive Nissan zero gravity seats. They hit up to 17 pressure points and are awesome for a longer drive for anti-fatigue. The interior looks great, lots and lots of space. Speaking of interior, look at these back seats. You have all kinds of room. Whether you have friends, kids in car seats, they are built to handle a lot of leg space in this middle row. And then if you look in here, you'll see a couple USB chargers, because we know all the kids have all their different devices they want to charge, and rear climate control. And then getting in the back in these is super easy too. Just pull this lever, bam, that slides forward. Here's our third row, and if we want to put it up, very easy. I put that up, and you got all kinds of space even for the third row. And everybody gets their own headrest, which I love. These seats just slide back nice and easy, and we can actually adjust this middle row to give the third row more leg space. You can see that there, this one's a little bit further ahead than the one on the far side there. Then coming to the back of the vehicle, so this comes standard with a backup camera and backup sensors, making it super easy to park. You can just pull this open, and now you can see the cargo space we're dealing with. So even with that third row up, still quite a bit of cargo room back here, and they give you a little cargo compartment to put spare wiper blades or anything you want. That's your jack that's down in there. Tires up underneath just like a truck. And putting these seats up or down is simple. We just put the headrest down, fold this flat, bam, all kinds of cargo space. And that middle row can fold down as well, and then we really have lots of cargo. Let's go inside the front of this. Just check out the inside. So really nice touches on the interior, very well built. When you close the doors, you can really feel this. The vehicle has, like I said, those super supportive seats, but then if we go inside, you can see they've given us a nice monitor, a push button system. Go ahead and start that. Don't need to put a key in anymore. Just have the Nissan Intelligent key. Got a nice display in the middle here. Gives us a bunch of readouts, outside temperature, what our four-wheel drive system's doing, what gear we're in, distance to empty, and you can see that little symbol there showing our forward collision system is turned on. In here, like I said, this gives us all kinds of readouts, gives us readouts on audio, lets us know how our climate system's working, and when we put it in reverse, will show us our backup camera. Then coming down here, more controls for the audio system, dual climate control, so my side heat, the passenger side heat, and an auto mode, so you can just set it to 21 degrees, hit auto, and it'll stay like your house does. A couple of USB chargers down there, nice cup holders, your four-wheel drive switch, showing you can go to two-wheel drive, auto, or you can lock into a 4-high, and has a hill descent mode. So if you're going down a hill, you press that, and then it's gonna hold the vehicle so you don't free roll. You know, overall, this vehicle is super nicely equipped. Again, the value for dollar on the Pathfinder is awesome. And the other thing I love is it has a beautiful V6 engine. The V6 engine in this has just over 280 horsepower, but not only can it haul 7 people and tow up to 6,000 pounds, it actually gets down to almost 8 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. So you are not breaking the bank for getting that extra power. I hope you like this vehicle, you guys. If you want to look at one with me, let me know. Have a great day.